Hello students, welcome to our new introductory lecture for B.Sc. Part 2nd. It is Mathematics Introductory Lecture of course Algebra First. I am Assistant Professor Vishakha Kadam from Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Devur. In this lecture, we will learn about course objective, course contents, practicals based on this paper and question paper pattern of this paper. So firstly we see the course objectives of this paper. The course objective contain understanding the properties of matrices. Second, solve the system of linear homogeneous equations and linear non-homogeneous equations. Third, find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Fourth, construct permutation group and relate it to other groups. And last, classify the various types of groups and subgroups. Then we see the actual contents of these papers. In this paper, we see the two units. The first unit is matrices and relations. It contains the subpoints given below. And unit second is groups. It contains points are given below. Then we see the practicals based on the paper 6. There are many practicals based on the paper 6, such that limit of sequence, convergence of sequence. Third is a comparison test and Cauchy's root test. Fourth, D'Alembert ratio test and Rabi's test. Fifth is examples on groups and order of an element. And sixth is cyclic group. 7 is permutation group. And 8 is homomorphism and kernel. The last is question paper pattern of this paper. There are total 15 marks of question paper, in which contain question first is multiple choice question for 10 marks. Next question, attempt any 2 out of 3 for 20 marks. And last question, attempt any 4 out of 6 for 20 marks. In this way, I am conclude my lecture. Thank you.